Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. It's so good to see you today. I hope all is well with you. And it has been raining here in Boston, and everything is just looking so lush and beautiful and bright. And I purchased some new mums to add to the garden. So I want to show you them. I want to introduce to you the chrysanthemums that I just purchased. And I have quite a few. Chrysanthemums and garden mums. Now I have two different types. I have the garden mums, but then I also have the perennial mums too, and they come back. If you mulch them, they will return. And in the front I have some that are returning, but they haven't flowered yet, but later on I'll show you that. I'll show you some of them that have flowered and returned back. Because looking from my kitchen window, I get such a great view of the mums. They just look so pretty. So I want you to see them, and we've been just adding them here and there in the garden. It's been raining all day, and I just had to get outside for a little bit because my husband bought these wonderful little cute mums, and I like the colors here, and they just looked so cute on the step. But aside from that, we also have some mums. They look so fresh and beautiful in the rain that I just wanted to come out and let you see them. Also, the coloring of the garden is changing, and I want you to see that it's starting to take on a more fall hue, but yet it still is just all coming together. Nature is just pulling together its own palette and making things so beautiful, just with a little tweaking for me, but it knows how to handle herself all by herself. Mother Nature, the beauty of the flowers. This new arrangement here. So from the set, this is what I see. It's looking really pretty, really fall. And it's amazing how the hydrangeas, the color the hydrangea just matches so well with the tuberous begonia. I moved them closer so that I can enjoy them because the weather's changing so quickly, and soon I won't be able to enjoy them like that. And I think because they're getting more sun, that they're actually flowering more. And then of course I have these beautiful sun impatiens, and they're looking so big and just fresh. Before we had some impatiens where the mums are, but with those hot days and dry days, they just seem to have kind of fizzled out. But I'm not sad because these mums are just very pretty here. And another thing that has actually started to really grow is this Swiss chard. Now, I've never grown Swiss chard before, but I saw it in the spring, and so let me just pick up a pack, a 6-pack, and see what would happen. And I had them in the front, and they weren't doing so well there, and I brought them and put them here, and now they look very attractive. I've never really eaten Swiss chard, but I don't know, I might just give it a try because the leaves are looking so beautiful. Look at this, and look at the bee. The bee is enjoying the purple perilla. Now the purple perilla has been flowering, and soon it will be seeding, and more than likely seeding all over the garden. But that's okay. What I'm going to do is I will just pull them out wherever I find them. But back to the Swiss chard. Look at the veining, the stem, the veining. Isn't it pretty? I like the color. But the garden's looking really nice in this rain. It's just very fresh. I love the rain because the rain just makes everything so fresh and alive looking. And then standing from here, you could see back there, you can kind of see the Coleus. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. See the color of the Coleus? Yeah. So you can see the color scheme just coming right across. And then coming down to here. Isn't that pretty? This whole angle. And then also, you know that it's bulb planting season. It's coming around, and in the different stores, the box stores, the home centers, you're going to see the tulips and other bulbs. And so I've already started a haul on that. I'm going to give you a sneak peek on my bulbs, and there are more to come because you know that I just love bulbs. I love planting spring tulips and daffodils in the garden. But for right now, enjoy my white moms. Yes. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. How is your garden growing? I hope everything is going well with you in your garden. And I hope that you are extending your season. Don't give up. Don't start tweaking it and shifting it and changing it, knowing that each moment within the garden is special and unique in and of itself, and that we need to just cultivate it and tend it, and it will bring forth great beauty for us. Yeah, well, I'm enjoying my garden, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't mind cutting back, changing, shifting, or moving things, because I know ultimately for that moment I'm going to have so much joy. Garden joy and garden moments. Have a great day, and see you next time in Catherine's Garden. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless. Bye.